Well, what can I say? This community is really awesome. So a few weeks back, if you guys remember, um, my friend Sluggo sent me this kit, well, this box with this body, because of you guys. As you guys know, I'm building the 49 Merc, and you guys have seen the final on it, and it turned out to be pretty good. Um, the rear bumper that it came in this box, it's because I have the car really low, as you guys have seen it before. It's just not gonna fit, but no worries. Here's the other two kits cars that I have that we are going to fix and lower it and do the whole, make them look all nice and ready for a show if we ever go to a show. But so then my friend Shane saw that video where I got this body in this box, right? And he goes, "Hey," he sent me a text. "Hey, I got some extra parts if you want them." I go, "Thanks. I got it." And then he goes, "Well, I have an extra hood and an extra trunk lid, and I might be able to send out a kit." And I go, I don't need a kit. I just need some a part. So don't stress over it. So you know, I'll get to it when I get to it. So in the mail, I got this little bag where he sent me this. So he has his own channel. His name is 188 or 180 Out Hobbies. So I will leave a link to his channel down below. And here's the other side. And to my surprise, I got a scrap body. This is something that he was working on, or he had in his stash, and he's just lost interest. So he's not gonna use this anymore. So he sent me this. So guess what? We have the hood and we have the trunk lid. And so now we have pretty much almost everything that we need to put this, just even start putting this together. So we're gonna put this together, and once we have all the parts for this, then we'll put it together. And meanwhile, we're gonna separate everything that is in this box. Half of it will go to complete this one, and whatever's left will be for that one. And anything that pretty much is left over will be for this one. And we have the chassis for this. So suspension, don't worry about the suspension. I might just do let it just sit on the floor the way it is right now. Let it sit on the floor, and we'll just tuck the wheels in. Just make it look kind of like the blue 49 that I just did. And so we don't really stress about the you know uh, suspension. Or if there's no engine, then there's no engine. We'll make it a curbside and go from there. But again, this is really really nice to have a community that is very giving and very helpful, and um, the a community that really looks out for each other one way or another, whether it's someone's going through some hard times, or someone in need of a part, just to complete a model. It's funny how something so small like a piece of plastic can bring people together, and you know build relationships just because of this. And some people might see, oh, it's just a plastic toy, it's just a hobby, but in reality it's more than just a hobby. We all say it's really is a community that we all look up for each other. And Shane, thank you. Slago, thank you guys. I really do appreciate you guys' help. You guys really didn't have to, but you guys really went out of your way to um, help someone like me just to put it together, whether it's going to be a shiny patina or even a rusty belt. You guys just didn't care and just sent, you guys send out those parts out of the kindness of your heart. And I really, really, really appreciate it. And I really thank you guys for helping me out and getting me this I call them gifts, and they are gifts because they're just uh, things that I'm gonna need for what you see here. So again, guys, thank you guys for the gifts, and everybody else who has supported the channel and supported me in one way or another. And let's continue um, helping each other out and supporting each other on, you know, parts, tires, whatever the case may be. Continue to support each other and be kind to each other. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy modeling.